Hello, Carol Amendola Dianca here, clinical nutritionist, olive oil aficionado, citizen of Italy, and longevity expert. I say that because my longevity expert comes from 10 years of studying longevity in long-living populations over the last decade. But I wanted to go over some things as far as olive oil and how to properly store and use it. Because if you've taken the time to find the very best bottle of olive oil that you can, now it's important to know how to store and how to use that olive oil. So there's just a few little tips I want to pass along. The first one is make sure the olive oil, of course, is in a dark glass bottle, but keep it away from heat. A lot of people will take their bottle of olive oil and they'll put it up over the stove or over the oven or in a cabinet that's close to where there's heat in the kitchen, and that's where they store it. Heat will degrade the nutrients in the olive oil. So make sure that you keep it in a cool place, maybe a cabinet a little bit closer to a window, and a dark place, of course, because that's the other thing. Light also destroys the nutrients in olive oil. So when you're not using it, put it away. It's good that it's in a dark bottle, but I've seen people pour the olive oil into fancy little decanters that are usually clear glass, which now you're doing something that's going to reverse the nutritional content of that good olive oil. The other one is air. When you open the bottle of olive oil, hopefully you don't have a big wide pour spout, because olive oil is not like wine. Air is not its friend. It doesn't need to breathe. Actually, air will destroy the nutrients. So use olive oil that has a very small pour spout, but after using it, just close it up and cap it up so you don't get air in the olive oil, which will degrade the nutrients. So those are just a few quick tips for today. I will put in the description a link to decoding the label on olive oil, so you could take it with you to the grocery store and check off the boxes so that it lists what to look for. And then also there will be a document on storing proper usage and storage of olive oil, so that these are some tips that are written out for you, what I have said, and I think there's a couple others in there, so that you can make sure that once you've taken the time and the energy to get a good bottle of olive oil, know how to use it and store it. I don't see that happening on other videos here on olive oil, so I wanted to make sure that was included here on my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you aren't, please subscribe so that I can continue to send good, credible information to you. And thank you again. See you soon.